Every good meal needs a dessert. And with whatever fruits and berries you have laying around, you can make a delicious trifle in no time. And with extra whey, you can make it protein-packed as well. First, I start by peeling my apples. Slice up into small cubes to cook faster and evenly. Turn on the stove. You want to add a little bit of water depending on the berry or the fruit, just to control the consistency. When cooked to a soft compote, you want to add it to a bowl and let cool. When cooled down a bit, you can add your whey protein. You want to add 1 scoop at a time and stir generously until combined. You want to stir until completely dissolved and you see no clumps. And from here, you can add it to the fridge and let it cool down completely so it's ready when you serve. When your apple compote is completely cooled, you can add it to any serving glass you want. Layer it in. Here I've crushed up some ladyfingers as well. Add them in. A little bit more apple. A little bit more ladyfingers as well. A last scoop of your apple. Push it down as well. Top it off with a nice confeige. If you have some freeze-dried raspberries, as I do, you can also add them as a colorful touch and some extra flavor as well. So good and so easy. Thanks for watching. I hope you had some good inspiration to how you can turn your leftovers into delicious meals. If you want more tips and tricks, you could go into wheyforliving.com and learn more.